Hello, welcome back to the workshop. Right, last video I did an unboxing of that. Sorry about that, that's the carbon monoxide meter going off just to let me know it's keeping me safe. This video we're just going to have a look at the dynamo and streetlight that Stirling Kit also sent. So when I've made this, this will power this just for the sake of the look of the thing. Let's get this box open. Let's see what's in it. Now if you're going to buy the street lamp and dynamo set, I think it's about £70, £71. But if you buy it with, as an option, with one of these, so when you buy, say this, you can buy this on its own, or you can buy this with this. It works about £50 or £60, so you get it more than this on its own. So it works out a lot cheaper to do that. But let's just have a quick look in the box. So what you get, right, so you get that. You've got the same double pulley that you have in this, in that kit. You have a base, and this is how you wire it up. So let's get that put together and wired up. Let's have a look. Here is the right. Back in there. Right. Let's quickly pull out all the bits. This is going to be quite straightforward. Apart from getting into this, this one, oh, hold on, that bag is sealed as well. Let me just, come on. Oh, it's not that well sealed at the other end. Stupid me. Right, turn that into a bubble wrap sock. So, this is single core wire. So what we're going to do, there's your little lamp there. We are going to straighten this out. Just have a look. It's quite obvious what you do. You feed that down through there and then down through there, and then you can see where the wires go in there. The wires colour coded, those are colour coded. It would take a work of shocking stupidity to get that wrong. So don't. Only problem you've got is it is going to be mildly fiddly, apart from the fact these are quite stiff, reasonably stiff single core wires to get that down there. So feed both down there. That should then just slot in there, and it does. It's not a tight joint. You can move it in and out, but you obviously don't want to do that in real life. Feed those two down there. Pull those through. Push that in there again. This is not a tight joint. And then over here we want to go one into there, one into there. Obviously the red will go in here. Now if you look, you can see where the other wires go. No, hold on, give me a sec. No, can't see it. Where's it gone? Looking for another little light. Where did I put it? That's a pain. Right. Ah, that's why I can't see it. It's in front of me. Right. So you can see there, obviously the blue wants to go in that one. Blue wants to go in that one there. You can see there, and the red wants to go over here. Okay, and if you look, you can see where the other ones go. That's how it goes. Now let me just see, is that pull up or is that push down? Pull that up. Give me a sec. Hold on. Oh yeah, so right. Now, because this is an LED, if you find it doesn't light, then just swap the polarity over, because, no, that's not in. What it says, rather, it's for different drive directions. Ah, right, that's how far that goes up. So I'm going to pull that all the way up. Push that wire in. No, not got that in. Managed to make a bit of a horlicks of this one. Right. You can see if we go this way it lights, and if we go this way it doesn't. Yep. See that? Yeah, you can see that. So that's quite straightforward to put together, and if you find out you want to go the other way, you just go and pull that up like that, and pull that one up like that, and then swap them over, and it worked the other way out. And again, the instructions tell you what to do. So that is really quite hard to mess up, and there is your drive belt for it as well. Right, so that's that. That's nice and bolted down. I would hazard a guess you could probably drive something quite a lot more substantial than just this with that being driven. Put that out the way for the moment, and then coming up is going to be putting that together. Right, so what's the next video? Please comment, Please like, please share, please subscribe.